This BNI telephoto and wide-angle lens kit turns an ordinary smartphone into a far more versatile camera, bundling telephoto, wide-angle, macro, and fisheye options in one compact package for hobbyists. The telephoto lens delivers strong magnification for distant subjects like wildlife, concerts, and landscapes, especially when paired with a tripod to keep shots steady and detailed. Its fisheye attachment offers an ultra-wide, curved perspective while still keeping the center and edges impressively sharp, which makes creative shots of pets, buildings, and portraits stand out. The dedicated macro lens allows extremely close focusing at only a couple of millimeters from the subject, revealing fine textures and tiny details that a standard phone camera usually cannot capture. The wide-angle lens significantly expands the field of view for group photos, interiors, and travel scenes, giving images a more immersive feel without forcing you to step far back. Build quality and optical coatings are solid for a mobile kit in this category, and the included accessories make it easier to align the lenses and get consistent results across different compatible smartphones.